This is the afternoon daily weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 6th of February. I'm James Spann. What a beautiful day today. I mean, perfect. Got some midweek rain in here. Looks like the better chance of rain will be late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Maybe a strong storm or two. And after that, we turn colder by the time the weekend gets here. Let's begin with the upper air look. And it's the wave train. Got one wave that's off the Atlantic coast, one wave coming into the Rockies, but in between the waves we have a ridge, and we are underneath the ridge, making for just a beautiful day. Visible satellite view, a cloudless sky across the state. Temperatures this afternoon are up in the 60s for the northern counties. Birmingham at 66. Down to the south, Mobile managing 70. Dothan 69. Montgomery 68. Pretty much the same type numbers tomorrow. If anything, it might be a few degrees warmer. Probably see 70s over about the southern half of the state. Watch warning map today, very quiet. Things are nice and calm. In fact, not a single thunderstorm expected through tonight. How about that? Tomorrow, got a marginal risk of severe storms over parts of southeast Texas. And in the day 3 outlook, and keep in mind this is Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, we have a marginal risk over parts of the deep south, including about the western 2/3 of Alabama. And again, keep in mind this outlook extends through 6 a.m. Thursday, and this is for the chance of some strong storms really after midnight Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. And I'd say the chance of severe weather looks fairly low at this point because of the lack of instability. You'll see that in modeling here in just a moment. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. For the western side of the state, about 1 inch, 1/2 to 1 inch for the eastern counties, and that's the rain valid through Monday morning of next week. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, we've got that trough back in the western states over parts of New Mexico coming into Texas. That'll bring us that rain late Wednesday night, but tomorrow should be a nice day. We'll call it partly sunny with highs in the 60s and 70s. Just delightful. So Wednesday, I think a decent chunk of the day will be dry. It will be very mild. A chance we'll see 70 statewide. Clouds gradually increasing, and there could be a few showers during the day, especially for the western side of the state. But the main batch of rain and storms will likely come in here late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. So this is Thursday morning at 6 o'clock. We've got a deep surface low near Chicago with a trailing front, and you can see rain and storms extending into the deep south, but there's just no surface-based instability. It's 6 o'clock Thursday morning. So, again, there could be a strong storm for sure, but the overall chance of a big severe weather problem at this point looks awfully low. So rain and storms moving in here late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Let's go to Thursday afternoon at 4, and at that point, the better chance of rain shifting into east and south Alabama. Thursday will be a fairly mild day, highs mostly in the 60s. And then on Friday, we're basically in between features here. That surface front is off to the east. There's an upper trough to the northwest. Friday will feature possibly some sunshine, highs in the 50s and 60s. And as the trough comes in here, that could squeeze out a few sprinkles or maybe even a few snow flurries Friday night for the northern counties of the state. But if we see flurries, temperature should be well above freezing. We don't expect any impact. And then for your weekend planning, this is Saturday. The day should be mostly sunny and noticeably colder. Highs in the 40s north of Birmingham, 50s south of Birmingham. And we start the day Saturday morning well down in the 30s. And then Sunday will be a brilliantly sunny day. Sunday morning will be cold, many spots below freezing. The high Sunday, 50s for North Alabama, 60s for the southern counties of the state. But it should be a cloudless day. And a week from today, this is Monday, the 13th, new trough coming into West Texas, and we're still dry. That should bring some rain in here at some point toward the middle part of next week. In fact, let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 16th. Troughing north and west of the state, evidence we'll see some showers in here. And how that whole thing evolves next week, it's really too early to call, but certainly some chance of showers by the middle of next week, maybe some thunder. Look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. We're looking for that green line, about 3 inches between now and the 21st of February. Temperatures, it's the roller coaster ride, which we kind of expect as we get into late winter. And this is for Birmingham, National Blend of Models. We've got 72 tomorrow. And then by Saturday, the high dropping to 50. Will be below freezing in the 20s Sunday morning, but then we bounce right back to near 70 by Thursday of next week. As we see the better sun angle, increasing daylight, the cold snaps late in the season typically don't last long. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for the 14th through the 20th of February. And if this holds, we'll have ridging in the east, troughing in the west. That means temperatures for the eastern and southern states, including Alabama, most likely above average. Temperatures below average out west. So still no sign of any bitterly cold Arctic air intrusions like we had at Christmas around here through mid-month. But I caution you, we could have some pretty mean cold snaps here in March into early April, as we all know. Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam video. DeArmonville Elementary School in Oxford, home of the Yellow Jackets. We had a great time today. Love those cookies. Wow, that looks good. And look at that cookie cake. Yeah, buddy. And I like the dress here. I mean, some of these folks were really dressed well, but we had the third graders and the kindergarten students in the lunchroom today. Kindergarten kids were great. They were just great listeners. Of course, third graders are always great. But again, thanks to all of those good-looking students for inviting me out to DeArmonville earlier today. Teachers, yeah, y'all looking good too. So thanks a lot. That was a whole lot of fun. That's it for the briefing this afternoon. Tomorrow I will be in Collinsville, up in DeKalb County. Got a homeschool group there. And then Kittystone Elementary School in Jacksonville. After that, Wednesday I will be in Jasper for a big senior adult function. Thursday I will be at Oak Mountain Elementary School in Shelby County. And then Friday I will be in Columbus, Ohio, speaking at a symposium at Ohio State University. Looking forward to that. Hey, we have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And, of course, if you can, across the hall, here's Studio A, ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. So thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.